Hola, amigos. It's me, Rosita, and this is my mommy and papi.
Hola.
Hello.
Our family is like lots of other families, but we do things a little differently with papi's wheelchair.
Like dancing the salsa.
We go through a lot together.
See, many changes.
And many challenges together.
See, papi, and then we all have good days
Yeah?
and some harder days, but no matter what kind of day it is, we stick together.
Together we know there's nothing we can't get through.
And
Huh?
no dance class we can't take.
Oh, yeah.
Like merengue!
Ah!